Alright guys, today is gonna be exciting. I'm here at Cenomi Mall and we're about to visit Samsung Experience Store and I'm very excited. So let's begin. Every time I come here, I love the vibe. The building looks so modern and premium. It all feels like something special is always going to happen here. Today's mission: explore the Samsung Experience Store. Okay, now this one looks stylish. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. First thing to notice, it's so compact. Like it literally. Okay guys, this is the moment. The Samsung Z Fold. First impression, it feels premium, solid, not like a normal phone. It feels like the future in your hand. While it's closed, it looks like a regular smartphone, slim, tall, easy to hold with one single hand. But it suddenly has the ability to turn into a miniature tablet. Okay, now we're moving on to audio. These are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. First impression. The case looks clean and futuristic. I really like this transparent lid design. It feels premium. Okay guys, now this one's interesting. This is the Z Flip 7 FE, the fan edition. First thing I noticed, it keeps the iconic flip design super compact and stylish. Ooh. Now we're moving on to tablet. This is the tablet section. It's like a bunch of rows of tablets that are mini screens of computers. Like you just grab it up and the displays are humongous. Okay guys, we're taking serious power now. This is Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing you feel, solid premium feeling. The titanium frame gives it a strong flagship vibe. It's like you just have a big brick that's lightweight with a pen in your hand. Alright guys, we're at the accessories section and look at this wall of cases. Different colors, different materials, different styles, from clear cases to silicone. And honestly, the accessory section completes the whole experience. It's not about buying a phone, it's about customizing it your way.